Hello everyone, my name is Yusuf Lokhanwala and I am Bombay based portrait and fashion photographer. So I am a freelancer photographer and I work with multiple brands and projects such as Netflix, Dharma Productions, Hotstar, Sneakers, Adda 52, Sugar Cosmetics and many more. So today I am here to show you my personal black and white portrait series. So when I decided to build that series of people around me who have inspired me in taking high road, I could clearly see an idea alive in my head. So today, I would love to present you that idea in front of you all. Let's have a look. Let's take few images and discuss the process of making them and the art of portrait photography. Whole series was shot on Canon 6D. It's a full frame camera, but I believe that good photographs can come on any camera. All the images were shot in daylight in an open space. So I shot images on RAW and later I have converted into black and white in Photoshop and did little bit of color correction in post processing work. I did black and white because I wanted to keep no distraction between portrait and the viewer. And I think black and white did that for me. So the first one is an image of an aged child. His name is Sam Dastur. He stays in Gujarat, Bharuch, but his all relatives stays in Mumbai. So he travels to Mumbai once in a week to meet his family. And you know what is the beautiful part about this? That his age is 90 and he travels all alone. Such a charm. Two quality that defines this man. First, how he is curious about everything, and second, how he cherishes each moment and each day. That is what brought me to take his portrait. So I went to his place and I expressed my idea to him, and he was all ready in a moment. So we mutually decided the day of shoot. But it was awkward for me to tell him that I want to start a shoot at 4:30 p.m. because it was a summer evening. And as we all know, how harsh the sunlight would be at 4:30. But he was happily ready to come at any time of the day. I always keep my setup ready before the person comes, as I did that similar for him. So he arrived and we began shooting and conversing. So basically, what I do in the beginning is that I take one shot and later I start improvising it and take that image closer to my visualization. Most probably, I visualize an image on the shoot, but for him, I did before shoot. so I can make him stand less time in front of the sun. And I was sure that I wanted to take his side profile picture because I love the posture of him and how imperfectly beautiful it is. Shooting portrait of him was a moment of happiness and fear of making him uncomfortable. I have used the reflector to make light softer and kept a white backdrop in the background. Second one is an image of a local egg vendor. His name is Sunil Sardal, and there is a little story about how he inspired me. One night, while I was running late in buying some stuff, I happened to reach this tiny corner shop when he was wrapping up for the day, and I saw him putting his stock in an old wooden cupboard and putting an old rusty lock on it. When I asked him, why does he think this will protect his stuff? Like anybody can easily break the lock. And he said something which has stuck me till this date. वो हमारा सामान चुरा सकते हैं लेकिन हमारा नसीब और हिम्मत नहीं. They can steal my stuff but not my faith and courage. And I think it's a beautiful thought. So while shooting him, I was trying variations of portrait, and suddenly I got an idea that his bold head shape is similar to egg. So what if I keep the egg on his head and it would look like ande pe anda, egg on the egg. I know it's funny, but that is how it happened. And he was very good at balancing egg even in wind. I cropped the image in such a way so that the balance of small circle over the big one could be shown. This picture has been shot before an hour of sunset, and I love the form and minimalism of an image. Last but not the least, my parents. A lot of people asked me why I haven't shown their faces in this image. The reason is that I feel that it is impossible for me to identify their roles just by an image. Their contribution goes much beyond that. This image has been shot early morning. I have done slow shutter for such feel. To me, what motivates me about photography is the process before pressing the shutter. And I feel my work is more about how I visualize my subject and not necessarily what the truth is. So, guys, this is me, my work, and my approach in a nutshell. Thank you for taking out time to watch this.